Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove values from lists with the remove method. The remove method is pass the value to be removed from the list. It is called on. Let's say we have a list of animals stored in a variable called my pets. Now, let's remove crocodiles using remove method. And it's done. My pets doesn't have crocodiles anymore. Example 2. Removing a string that is not in the list returns an error. Example 3. When there are repeated strings, the remove method will remove only the first one. So the first cats is removed. Example 4. In this case we are going to use a function called del for delete. And we need to know the index of the string that we want to delete. In this case, it's the number 3. And rats is not in our list anymore. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos like this. See you.